How to fix TikTok profile view option not showing. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the TikTok application on your device. Go to your profile and tap on the three lines you see on the top right of your screen and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now under Account, tap on Privacy, and if you do not see the option for profile views, then follow the following steps. Go to your home screen and tap hold on the TikTok application. You will see the option for Clear Cache. Tap on that and now go ahead and tap on the Clear option and clear the cache of the application. Once done, launch the Settings application and find the TikTok option there and tap on that. Now make sure the permissions for all these options are toggled on. Next, open App Store and search for TikTok. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the TikTok application and tap on that. You will see the Offload App option. Go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Offloading the app will delete the app but keep its documents and data. Doing this will free up storage used by the app and will fix the app further, and your TikTok should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.